Hey guys, so tonight's stream, I have something very important I want to share, and I want to say something that's probably going to piss off a lot of people, but yeah, I'm used to it because it usually does piss off people constantly. Um,
Today, Flatzoid have something to tell us all, something that can upset us, according to Flatzoid. So, let's see what Flatzoid's big announcement is. Have we found a globe?
anyway, what I want to say is I am officially,
What?
officially leaving the Flat Earth community.
Oh,
I want nothing to do with the Flat Earth community anymore.
cheers.
Not because the Earth is not flat. Don't get me wrong. The Earth is definitely still flat.
No, it's not.
I just don't want to be part of a community that is very.
Is
I'm
what?
trying to put this in a very nice way. A community that is very backstabby, is very gullible, push false doctrines, very hypocritical, and well, I don't want to be part of that. And I just have to make it clear it's not all flat earthers. Okay, I really have come to
What?
care about a lot of you guys, and I don't want you guys to take this personal. I really care about all you guys, even the flat earthers, even the ones that still push an agenda against me.
Poor Flatzoid.
I
What?
just don't want to be part of a community that is fake.
It is fake.
It all started as an actual community where people were together, and it was about truth.
Oh dear.
But as the years have descended, I've just figured there is no truth in this community.
Correct?
There is no honesty. It's hypocritical. It has turned to a community that just pushes false doctrines,
Yes.
pushes falsities on people, and has become a hate community.
Have been all the time.
Everything it used to stand for doesn't stand anymore. And I don't care if you don't like the words I'm saying anymore. Then again, you guys never really liked it. I'm one of the most hated kind of flat earthers around there.
I must correct him. Among Globers, I don't think he's the most hated flat earthers. I can't speak for the flat earth community.
So I'm going to just be plain out. Flat Earth has become infiltrated by fakes.
Who?
And when you call out those fakes, you get attacked.
So everybody that don't agrees with Flatzoid is fakes.
If you defend something, you are wrong. Now, I don't know how I want to explain this in a as much nice way as I can, other than telling you, please don't call me a flat earth anymore, because I want nothing to do with the community anymore. You guys are sick.
Yes, you are.
You need help.
Yes, you need that.
And no, I'm not agreeing with Jaren that it's a cult.
It is.
Flat Earth's definitely not a cult. Jaren is still a shill. He has always been an infiltrator, just like David Weiss, just like Eddie Banjo now. I still think he as well now has been a shill in the community.
So basically, if you don't agree with Flatzoid about how things works on the imaginary flat earth, you're a shill.
I do think people like Dal has flipped, and that's why he pushes this nonsense of upward rising Earth.
Of course he's a shield too. He don't agree with Flatzoid about the imaginary flat earth.
I also do believe people that are going into the flat earth community and trying to hide God and push false doctrines is not healthy.
So if you don't treat the Bible as a science book, you are not healthy. Is this really the problem you have in flat earth? In the early days in Flatzoid's career, he tried to fight the globe. He tried to prove that we who knows that we live on a globe were wrong. But now it have all changed. Now it's other flat earthers that are the shills, that are the liars. And why is that? Flat earthers can't agree on a model. They have no working maps. They can't agree on explanation why the apple do this falls down. This and many other things that flat earthers can't agree on is the reason why the flat earth community is breaking down totally. Flat earth is dead.
I don't want to be associated with this kind of thing anymore. So this is my official resignation from the community of Flat Earth.
I'm quite sure that Flatzoid will continue be a science and reality denying fool.